Hi Lyceans! In this video, we'll show you how to submit assignments through the myLPU eLearning portal. First, go to your course dashboard and click on the subject where the assignment is posted. Scroll through the course sections where the assignment is located. Click on the posted assignment to open the instructions, due date, and file requirements. Once you're ready to submit, click the Add Submission button. You'll see an upload area. Just drag and drop your file or click the icon to browse your device. Make sure your file follows the required format, like PDF, Word, or PPT, depending on what your instructor asked. Please note that assignments have a maximum file size limit, as determined by the settings configured by your instructor. Some assignments may also include a text box where you can type your answer. After uploading or typing your answer, scroll down and click Save Changes. If your teacher allows it, you can still edit or resubmit until the deadline. Otherwise, your first upload is final. That's it. You've successfully submitted your work through the myLPU eLearning portal. Watch the next video to learn more on how to use the LMS. See you there, Lyceans!